I guess they are going to take that out just to that next joint. And see, a small little excavator will work for small little projects, okay? Not for the big bad boy projects, all right? Now they just happen to have their small excavator. They own that small little one, and they just happen to have it out here. You know, you don't have to get a small one to do this little driveway section while you get the big one to do the rest. The big one could have done this little section, no problem, but because they've got this one out here and they want to get out of here pretty soon, they thought, we'll just start this one. Fascinating, isn't it? See, he's pushing it over here far enough, because then they'll grab that, and they're going to take this other little sidewalk out all the way over, I think, to this joint here. That's what they're doing here. Look at this guy. Isn't that amazing? Good boink. He's got an actual joint right there, and I think he's only going to take it up to there. Looks like fun. Yeah. You see the big excavator is over there. He's not messing around, is he? He's just getting that right out of there. See this little one, the amount of work this little one's done, the big one can just get in there and rip and tear. So like I say, he didn't really need the little small one to do this, but because they have it here, he wanted to get in on the fun too.